Okay, we're gonna make some Thai peanut sauce. So you want to start with some organic peanut butter because peanuts are sprayed with a lot of pesticides, and you can get some common brands now, so it's not too expensive. And so about half a cup, put it in your saucepan, and about half a cup of water, half a cup. Like most cooking, it depends on your preferences. It's all very personal, and most good cooks don't measure anything, so all my things are approximate. Now we'll put about a tablespoon of soy sauce. That's another thing you want, organic, so it's not GMO, and also yeah, that's the main reason why. So mix that up, and then some apple cider vinegar. Same thing, tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. And as you go, you can be tasting it, determining how you like it. And another thing is a little bit of a molasses. I'm using the black strap molasses, so about a tablespoon. This has a lot of good minerals in it. Not very good for the teeth though, but just a little bit. And if you can be bothered, chop up some garlic would be good, but I can't be bothered, and we got lots growing outside now, but leave that for another day. Some hot peppers. If you dry your own peppers, and then you can just grind them up in a coffee grinder. And some powdered ginger. You can put fresh ginger in too. I'm pretty rushed now, so I'm not going to bother, but not too much. About half a teaspoon. And that's about it. Now we just mix these guys up. It's pretty thick now though, so I might want some more liquid. Just gently heat that up because the peanut butter is, as you know, it will start to burn. It's pretty thick still. Tasting yummy though. So that's about it. Like I said, alter according to taste. So I'm gonna add some more soy and a bit more vinegar, give it a bit more punch. You could always even use like lemon juice, and you can use like straight, like the cheap vinegar too. It's all fine to use. So you can put this on noodles, on veggies. I just cooked up some fiddleheads and some bok choy, or bat sai, as they say in Mandarin. And, no, actually I think that's da bat sai. And some organic mushrooms. So, here we go. Nice and easy. That took what, 2-3 minutes? Okay, enjoy. Check out 123poopitout.com and all my other videos. Bye bye.